Natin ang mga dapat batiin at gisingin na mga dapat gisingin na sa mga nakakakilala po kay Daddy Joseph Casabuena. Ay mga taga Laguna, baka kilala niyo si Daddy Joseph Casabuena ha. Good morning. Birthday po niya today. Happy birthday Joseph. Pinababati ka ni Junalie. Happy birthday po.
Wow naman, sa TV ka pa pinapati ba? Thank you, classmate.
Happy birthday, Joseph!
Thank you, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Daddy Joseph. Miss na kita. I love you.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, makayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ng inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Daddy Joseph, happy birthday. Sana maalala mo lahat ng pinagsamahan natin. Si Mika ang laki na. Sana yung sustento mapadala mo na. Ayoko na magpakita ng face kasi baka maalala pa ni wife mo kung ano yung nakaraan natin. Basta happy birthday na lang. Yung sustento huwag mong kalimutan. Salamat!